Hello beautiful people, welcome back. I'm Anna and this is a clean with me video. I've been meaning to make another one of these for a while. I want to upload at least one a month in my channel because I feel like you guys really like them. They always get a lot of views and comments, so we just want to do more of what you guys like. This weekend is perfect because Brock is out of town, and not that I can't clean with him around, but when he's here we watch TV, we hang out a lot, so I feel like I get less done, and I mean that with the most love possible. So he's out of town, so I'm definitely using the weekend to clean and just get this house in order. But first, I have to revive this fire. And the first thing on my cleaning itinerary is vacuuming this carpet and the kitchen, because Mackie is a very destructive boy when it comes to his toys. There's like, excuse me. Wait, Mackie likes to destroy his toys and leave its remainings all over my carpet, so we're vacuuming now. These are the mug collection by Kristen made, and that's Kristen Jones' brand. I love her videos, so I definitely wanted to support. Aren't they the cutest? And you can stack them like this. So cute. Putting dishes away after running the dishwasher is one of my favorite things to do, because not only are you getting like clean cutlery, you're also putting it away like dirty cutlery. Does that make sense? It's like, to me, it's like doing two things at once, just organizing and cleaning. It makes me happy. I don't know why. You realize you're old when putting dishes away makes you happy. I think I included it in my last video, but if I didn't, this is the back brace I've been using. But either way, I'll put a picture up here and I'll link it below. I think it's amazing. I gotten used to it really quickly. I barely feel it under my clothes. I'm supposed to wear it for a month because of my accident. I love it. I think it's super discreet. Like, you can barely see it. It just looks like part of my shirt. And it wasn't even that expensive. I got it on Amazon for like $30. So I definitely recommend, if you had an injury recently on your back that is preventing you from like doing normal things, and B, if you work a job that requires a lot of physical effort and you are always carrying and lifting things, this is amazing. It's actually made for that, so definitely recommend. I've gotten so much better at making fire. If you go back on my channel to when I first moved to Wisconsin, I could not light a fire for the life of me. It was so bad. And now I feel like I can, like, my fire's pretty decent, right? Definitely tooting my own horn here, but I think it looks pretty good. These houses, I have hardwood floors, half carpet, so I always try to vacuum the carpet and mop the hardwood floor. Today I vacuumed the entire house just because I wanted to get all of like Mackie's hair and everything out of the way before I mop, and on to mopping. My camera died and now it's Sunday, so what you missed. I did a lot of laundry between yesterday and today, and I recharged my battery, clearly, and now I have this pile of laundry to fold and put away. So that's gonna take me a while. Cue the time lapse. So this is the progress so far. I have now piles. Shirts, bras, sweaters, stuff that needs to be hung, bottoms, underwear. I'm gonna probably blur this out. And I just have to do this part. So let's keep going. here's the progress so far. I've put away some of it already. Just have this. We're getting there. So this is what I have left. They're all socks without a pair, which probably means they're in the load of laundry that's in the washer now. So I'll put them aside, make this bed, and wait for the next load. We went on a walk and it was -10 degrees, so absolutely not happening. We're not gonna make dinner, we're making lemon pepper wings and we're just chilling at home for the rest of the night.
You take it, and what I typically do, and I don't know if this is the right way to do it, this is just how I do it. I cut to about there. You're not going to be able to cut through this, right? Mm-hmm. So now it's cut. Take it and snap it completely. Now if you need to, you can cut it again. Like you can just, right? And you should have a drumstick and a wing. And so you just do that to every single one of them.
No. No, mister. No, no, no. 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 No.
Sides here, but first all of one side, and then I want to kind of rub it in so that it's like in the chicken, you know? Mm-hmm. So actually just when you're seasoning meat in general with like dry seasonings like this, patting it in helps a lot to lock in this flavor and get it to soak into the meat. Otherwise, it can just fall right off and it doesn't always work as well. At least, I think so. That's how I've always done it. Aww. That's how I've always seen it done. So that's just what I do.
What is this thing?
It's canola oil.
So
it's just a spray form of, it's a cooking oil, but it's just spray oil. And then you just aggressively spray your wings.
Oh boy.
That's why I said I was going to make a mess. And then we'll just do the other side now. And the reason we do this is because we're not throwing these wings in a fryer, right? Like we're not throwing them in oil, which is what you might normally do with fried chicken wings. But instead we're doing them in the air fryer, which is just a basket. So you have to get them in some form of oil. So we just spray them with a little bit of oil, which helps them cook. I think I forgot to flip those two up here. Yeah, okay. Then we just get the other side. Just to make sure everything cooks well. I want a picture of this to send my brother so they can see I'm using it.
You want me to take a picture and send it to him?
For some reason it said to increase the time to 30 minutes. So we'll just go up to 30.
Yay!
Wow, seeds are really coming through this anyways. We're literally having lemon seeds pop out.
I have to do a taste test. A tea? What was that?
Not really sure.
It's a weird noise.
There shouldn't be anything moving.
Oh. opinion, hello.
They're good.
Right? Mm.